This arrivals, refugees, they transfer a whole bunch of viruses.
What kind of viruses?
What kind of viruses, you may ask a man like me, because you don't know. Well, I know. East Nile River virus.
What?
East
Nile.
Well, the West Nile virus. It's a virus. It's a weird virus.
The Nile virus. Yes, as far as I know, this virus is brought with migratory birds.
Don't they come from the same holes?
No, of course they do. Of course they do. They bring a bunch of skin diseases.
Oh, yeah.
Dermatitis, for example.
Stanley School dermatitis.
Oh, dermatitis. Sorry.
Various skin problems, and joint problems.
Joint problem. You got tuberculosis. Yes. Don't even get me started on malaria.
Guys, Mr. Mayor, we made an agreement that I could go 15-5 because I have to watch my Diamond of Oblivion. And now it's 15-5, and I'm still here watching you playing some games like you couldn't do it alone in the yard at home.
I also want to go.
Isn't the Diamond of Oblivion a Turkish soap opera?
First of all, Jenny, these are some serious military preparations, not some worthless dick swinging in the sandbox. And the other thing, the Diamond of Oblivion is a Turkish telenovela.
So what?
Turks are Muslims.
So what if they're Muslims? They're the best in telenovelas.
You're supporting them!
Oh, really? I'm supporting them.
Yes.
Uh-huh. So they can see me through the screen. They can say, oh my God, Jenny is watching us today. She's supporting us. Great. Or what?